I'm out here at Macquarie Park for a MyNetFone customer today. Basically, the internet's been out for how long?
Since last Thursday. Today is
Thursday. So it's been out for a week. His internet. He's been onto MyNetFone. Apparently, they sent out a tech, and the tech said that everything's good on their end. Now I'm at the customer's MDF today. As you can see, he's here on pair 21. And there was no tag from any Telstra guy saying that he's come and checked it to this. Hadn't looked like the jumpers had been removed for a while. But his line going back up, getting a nice clear tone either side, nice dead spot in the middle. That's all good. But if you notice, I've got the DSL tester connected to the A side, which is the network cable, running down here. He's coming up to 7 minutes now, and we've still got no sync on that at all. It's just flashing. So this is a network issue. So MyNetFone, you're going to need to send a technician to the actual MDF itself. Don't know where he got a good test to, but it wasn't to here. So yeah, this is back to you, MyNetFone.